Starting from iOS 11, Apple actually, or the iPhone actually, has the screen recording feature built in to the OS. And if you swipe up on the notification center, you should see it here. And if you do not see it here, it should be right below the flashlight usually. That means you'll have to turn the feature on in settings, and let me show you how to do that. Go into settings. You're going to scroll to Control Center, tap on Control Center. You will then tap on Customize Controls, and you will scroll down to where it says More Controls, and you'll scroll down to where it says Screen Recording. And if it has a green plus sign next to it, that means that it wasn't there in the control center, and you're just going to tap the green plus sign. It will then start showing up under Include. There you go, there you have it. Let's go back. Let's go to the home screen. And now if you swipe up, you will see this icon right here. It is already blinking because I'm using another software to screen record because I wanted to show you guys how to set it up. But this icon is going to be grayed out like the other icons, and when you tap on it, it's going to start recording. Now, one little tip is that you'll have to press and hold the icon, and there's a microphone on option here. It would be by default off, so just make sure that you tap on it to turn it on, and then you start the broadcast. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, and check out my other video on the screen coming up in the end screen. And stay safe, stay tuned, and stay blessed.